Fennel seed, rosemary, thyme, and a few other ingredients really brings these Iberico ribs to the next level. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I will be making Iberico pork ribs from Campo Grande, Tuscan style. We're gonna open up the package with the Iberico St. Louis rib and just look at the tremendous intramuscular marbling. We need to cook this low and slow to render the fat and elevate all the flavors. We're gonna place 1 tablespoon of fennel seed in a mortar. Then we wanna add 1 tablespoon of rosemary. We wanna add 1 tablespoon of thyme. We also want to add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Now we want to crush the herbs and the seed in the mortar. Then we need to add half a tablespoon of roasted garlic. Also 2 tablespoons of your favorite salt, pepper, garlic rub. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas. We're going to mix this thoroughly. Then we want to brush the rib with some cherry reduction, or you can also use balsamic glaze. We're going to season both sides of the rib heavily with the herb mix, and then we want to let this marinate for 3 to 4 hours. We're going to set our grill to 250 degrees. Then we want to place the rib inside. We place the rib on an elevated rack with a pan underneath to keep the grill clean. Now we're going to cook this until the rib reaches an inner temperature of 170 degrees. This might take a couple of hours. When it hits 170, you want to spray it with some duck fat to keep it moist. And then we're going to increase the temperature of the grill to 325 degrees. We want to continue cooking this until the rib reaches an inner temperature of about 202 to 205 degrees. Then we can remove it from the grill and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Then we need to cut this into individual ribs, and then these Tuscan-style Iberico pork ribs are ready to eat. And that is how I make my Iberico pork ribs Tuscan style. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what they taste like, and they look absolutely phenomenal. So packed with flavors, the herbs just bring out a lot of amazing flavor in the Iberico pork. And again, perfect bite. This is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.